Want to learn how to use Tenable for incident response? Whether you're handling a potential breach or simply managing security risks, Tenable is a powerful tool that can make the process smoother and faster. In this video, we'll quickly walk through the essential steps of using Tenable for incident response, so you can be prepared to act at a moment's notice. Tenable is well known for its vulnerability scanning, but did you know it can also be invaluable during incident response? It helps you identify, assess, and mitigate vulnerabilities in real time, allowing you to quickly understand the scope of an incident. By using Tenable's tools, you'll gain insights that could be critical for a successful response. Next, let's dive into setting up Tenable for incident response. After logging into your Tenable account, the first thing you need to do is run a scan. Scanning your network regularly is essential. If an incident occurs, having a recent scan means you already know which vulnerabilities are present and can prioritize fixing them. You can run on-demand scans or schedule them automatically, depending on your needs. The fourth thing is understanding Tenable's vulnerability management dashboard. Once you have scan results, the dashboard will give you a clear view of what's critical. Look for any flagged vulnerabilities that have been exploited or have a high CVSS score. These are the ones you'll need to address immediately. Next, Tenable's dynamic asset management feature comes in handy when you're trying to understand your network state during an incident. This allows you to track and manage assets in real time. If something unusual is happening, you can quickly spot it and take action by isolating the affected assets. When dealing with an incident, one key feature to use is Tenable's integration with SIEM systems. By connecting Tenable to your SIEM tool, you can automate alerts and get real-time data from your scans and systems. This gives you an even better view of what's going on and helps you detect incidents faster, allowing for quicker, more informed decision-making. Now, the next thing to highlight is Tenable's patch management. Once vulnerabilities are identified, it's essential to apply fixes quickly. Tenable makes it easy to see where patches are missing and which systems need immediate attention. You can use this to immediately patch high-risk vulnerabilities during an incident, limiting the damage. Finally, let's talk about reporting. Tenable offers comprehensive reports that can help you document what happened, which vulnerabilities were targeted, and what actions were taken. This is crucial for post-incident analysis and improving your incident response process for the future. By analyzing trends and incidents over time, you can strengthen your security posture and reduce the chances of similar events occurring. Throughout the video, I've mentioned how Tenable can be used for incident response, and I want to make sure you know that you can try it for free. If you're interested, you can access Tenable through the first link below and get an exclusive extended free trial to start securing your environment right now. That's it for this quick guide on how to use Tenable for incident response. Don't forget to check out the extended free trial link below and dive into Tenable for your next incident response today.